Hi, let's crochet heart rug mug with me. Make a chain of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well done. And join the chain in the round by working a slip stitch into the first chain stitch. The ring is ready. Let's crochet round 1. Make a chain of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. For the chain space, yarn over the hook 2 times. Insert the hook into the ring. Make treble crochet. Then yarn over the hook 2 times. In total it should be 15 of them. Then I show you how to finish this row. After I have done 15 treble crochet in a round, let's finish this round together. Make a chain of 4 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, and insert the hook into the ring. Make a slip stitch. Round is done. Let's crochet round 2. Insert the hook into the chain. Make 3 single crochet into the chain space. 1, 2, 3. Then yarn over the hook. Then half double crochet. Work with each stitch. Make double crochet twice into the each of next 6 stitches. 1. I have done double crochet twice into the stitch. In total it should be 6 times. I have done the first time. 2. Then you should crochet by yourself till the end of this round. As you can see, I have done the half. In this case I did double crochet twice into the each of next 6 stitches. Let's crochet the next stitch. Make double crochet into the next stitch. Then yarn over the hook twice. Make treble crochet through the next stitch. Then yarn over the hook twice to work with treble crochet. Make treble crochet 3 times into this stitch. 1, 2, let's crochet the picot on the top of this treble crochet. Chain 3 for the picot. 1, 2, 3. And work with the slip stitch into 2 loops of the treble crochet. Then treble crochet into the same stitch. Here what we have. Continue. Make treble crochet through the next stitch and double crochet into the same stitch. So you should make double crochet twice into the each of next 6 stitches. I will begin and you will continue by yourself. Make double crochet twice through the next stitch. 1 and 2 and so on. After I have done double crochet twice into each of next 6 stitches. Here what I have. Let's finish this round together. Make half double crochet into the chain space. Make single crochet 1, 2 and 3. I have done single crochet 3 times. Make a slip stitch into the first stitch in this round. Round is done. I straight up my heart. This heart can be perfect for kitchen, like dishcloth or doily or mug rack. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.